Let's make part number 6, flywheel in Wobbler steam engine. Now all units are in inches. 6 flywheel, material AISI 1020, one number of quantity. Now you will see this is the section view of this flywheel. This is front view. So if we check front view, the outer diameter 1 and 1/4 inch. Okay. Then there is a one hole. You will see here 3/16 inch. Okay. Then there is one more cutout. You will see in section view. If I am going to zoom more, look, these cutout 0.032 inch both side. So this is the one 7/8 inch and the internal diameter 3/8 inch. So let's make this. I am going to choose, before going to make unit, edit documents unit. Here I am going to choose IPS and fraction. I am going to define 128 up to, even 64 enough, but front plane sketch. Now I am going to activate circle and move cursor over origin point, click and place circle and press somewhere here, press escape key to out. Now activate smart dimension. Now this is going to be 1 space bar 1/4 inch. Go to feature. Now exit and go to feature and activate extruded boss base feature. Start condition keep same. End condition or direction I am going to keep mid plane. If you keep mid plane, see, this is going to move both side equally. The thickness is 5/16 inch. Say okay. Before going this, I am going to edit. Okay, edit we will do at the end. Select this face, sketch. Now here I am going to draw this one circle. Now again second and third. Press escape key to out. Activate smart dimension. First I am going to define inner one. And the inner one 3/16 inch. The outer one 7/8 inch. And the third, this is going to be 3/8 inch. Okay. Now this center one we will cut throughout, but this one we will cut a small one. So activate extruded cut feature. Now here too many close profile. So you have to move cursor and select which one you want to cut first. So I am going to select this face. Keep end condition through all. You don't need to define any dimension. Just cut through all. Look here. Now click and activate sketch 2. Go to feature and again activate extruded cut feature. Again move cursor and select this face. I want to cut this, but this time I am going to select in direction blind 0.032 inch. Okay. Now look. Now let's mirror. How to mirror? Just choose here mirror. First you have to choose a center reference plane. So I am going to select front plane. That's why we choose middle plane for the first extrusion. Now next come feature to mirrors. Select from here, or even though directly you can choose from here. Now rest keep as it is. Partial view. If you choose full preview, it will show both side. Okay. See, there is one thread. You will see major diameter 0.1015, depth 0.645, and this is the unit of unified national coarse thread. Size number 5, 40 thread per inch. See, and depth of thread 1/4 inch. Okay, let's do this. And all corner radius 0.005 inch. Okay, let's do this. So I want to create hole at top, so we have to create one plane. Activate plane. First reference top plane. Then for second one directly choose this one. Parallel. Okay, that's enough parallel. Okay. Now go to feature and activate extruded hole wizard. Okay, now here hole type, select this one, straight tap. Unit standard, I'm going to choose inches. Come down, and this is going to be a tabbed hole. Okay, now here already selected number 540 thread per inch. Okay, if we click this one, show custom, here this is the our size 0.1015 inch. Now hole, blind, now depth 0.645 and up to shoulder, not through all. Now blind, thread size 1/4 inch. Okay, that's confirm. Come options, choose this one with thread call out. Position, now move at center and select here. Press escape key to out. Just rotate and see the position. Okay, this is going to be perfectly. Say yes. Option, documents property, detailing, and I'm going to choose shaded cosmetic thread. Okay, now you will see here, click and hide plane. Now activate fillet. First type constant size, then fillet parameter symmetric and radius 0.005, and here item to fillet, I'm going to choose this face. Better to choose face so that we will select major number of things. See, this hole also covered. Now select this face, this face, this face. See, all the edges are going to covered. Say OK. Select this, edit or before going to edit appearance, I am going to apply, right click, edit material, steel. Okay, AISI 1020. You will, once you click, you will see all the properties of material. Here you will see units. Let's say here apply. Now see it change. Close. Appearance we want to keep, so go to appearance, default color, again edit appearance from here, and dark pink is our main color. Let me save this. Desktop, Wobbler steam engine, and this is part 6 flywheel. Don't forget to share and like our video, or please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.